ഇപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? ഓക്കെ. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh yes, so let us start the new day, and today we'll be trading EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, gold as well as crude oil, and I'll be trading futures for the gold and crude and the Forex for the other pairs. So let's start. Okay, so let us see what's happening here. So the market has already opened. I lost some time for this because to get the setup correct. So that's that. So let's see what happens here. So we have it here. So Euro USD. Now we'll set it up. So this is the start of how I start the trading system. So we have the USDJPY. The next one would be having gold, XAUUSD, and then we'll be having crude oil, and this one I'll be connecting it to trader weight. Yeah, if I want to risk something, yeah, then this one would be the account, because I have few more, 1 or 2 trades available here. I'll be trading that. So that's that. 286, so that will be 1 trade, nothing to do too much, and in that we'll be trading, what to say, gold as well as the other one. Now let's start with the analysis. Okay, so let's start with the Euro USD. What's the story of Euro USD? So let's see. So it has started. We'll go with the weekly. Weekly has been, yeah, it's, yeah, perfectly. I think my audio is correct. I have made the correct adjustment. So let's see. So weekly we have, weekly it is bullish, but daily we can see that it has created a downward movement. This was the main external zones. It went up and it came down strongly. Or a higher time frame, we could go and look at this. I think this is the same. Yeah, so externally this is the 2 zones, high and low, where we need to take care, and this has taken the liquidity from here, and we can expect, yeah, it's a front one, but yeah, we can take the this has taken and it just came down. Previous day it just was a bear structure, so we can look for shorts here. And one good thing about this is here is that it created an inducement here and it created a breakout structure, so we can expect, what's the manipulation? No, we cannot call that. Where is it? New investment. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, so I just need to save it before, like, inducement. Yeah, let's keep it that. So this is our inducement. So the price came here, it's 4 hour, took this inducement, here we are looking for longs in these sections, but the idea is that in order to have this reversal, so this is a reversal, right? Because the price is not continuing from here. This is the last break of structure which we had in the 15 minutes or in 1 hour also. So it went up, took the liquidity to touch the Fiji, came down, and this is the inducement which we have, and we know that this is the place, right? So we just don't need to, we need to see it clearly. So we just, we'll draw it again, and this is the place where the price happens, and this is an order block because it created a breakout structure, touched the FEG. So it's a good place to go long, to be honest. And the idea is that for us that to happen, we need to have the 15 minutes on our side. Then only we can consider it as a pro trend trade. And this is not a pro trend trade because it's showing sells. There is no point in I'm going to go long here unless it shows me otherwise. That's it. So the price needs to show me that this is also inducement plus inducement. Yeah, that's good. Now what we need to do? Now let's see on the lower time frame what is the storytelling. The price move up, went up, it created liquidity down here. The Frankfurt session took the liquidity, created a breakout structure, creating an inducement in the M5 time frame, thus by providing the imbalances which is showing a strong reaction to the downside. So if I want to go long, I definitely need to see bullish structure. Or if we want to go short, then let's see what happens. So same story, come here, we have this liquidity down here, took the liquidity and almost induced, and it gave a proper induction and went down. We are not looking for buys. So currently the sellers are in control and we don't need to go buy, and then it would mean that we are just going against the trend. We don't need to do that. Also, I will update in my live. So I'll be updating in my X about this. We'll be taking 1 or 2 trades today. Okay, so that's that. Let's paste it here. So this is my so you can see here that I am a verified, my account is verified, so it's called the Black Capital, and the link is x.com /black_capital. So I'll be posting all the videos. We are live on YT, and we post the link here, so people who are interested can join. So let's start. So we are talking about EURUSD, and we can see that this inducement came here, took this, induced here, took the eye, and we can see that this is a order block. So if you want to go for sells here, we can go for sells here. This is a continuation model because the trend is on the downside. Okay, so we will not go for sells unless the price comes and touches here. So we put the alert, you ready for sells. Okay, you ready for sells. That's that. And what else? Now what we need to do is we need to go to other scripts. So I'm not looking for this one, but now our main script, which is the gold. So let's go with that again in a higher time frame. So we go this part, and this would be higher time frame because we see higher time frame and lower time frame differently. In the weekly session, it's showing bullish. It's a doji candle, which means that it's not going up or down in the weekly, but in a daily we will get a different idea. So let's see. The price move up, create an internal breakout structure, create a proper breakout structure. So this is to the upside, and these two are the zones the price has moved. So this is the external zones. Yeah, we have that external. No, okay, let's say this has the external zones here. Then price has been moving internally in the daily time frame. It's not going up, down, so it's just consolidating. And we can see that then the price came here, made a lower low, internal breakout structure, and this became the internal structure, and it's going right in between these two, and we can see that it's reaching at a place where now the price can react from. This is a sell region, to be honest. And now we go to the H4 and see. Let's see what are the story behind that. Yeah, it's the same story with when moved down. Yeah, it created a breakout structure. This high got supported from here, created a new breakout structure to the downside. Then it was in the bullish run, and this was 4 hour. I think this is the current trend in the 4 hour. This is the place, or we can mark it as internal one, or for this though this is the external one. Okay, initially we marked the daily one, but daily is too far, we don't need to consider that. But this one we really need to take care. H4, it has reached an order block here. This is a small OB in FEG, and we can look for sells. It has taken this high. Yeah, this is the drawn liquidity which we have. This is good drawn liquidity. The price wants to move down here, we mark it here. Now let's see. Okay, now these are irrelevant. It was yesterday's, we don't care about that. It just shot down. Okay, so our bias was correct. We are going on sells. It's a breakout structure. It's a strong inducement, to be honest. In the 30 minutes you can see that the price induced here, the price came up, induced here, and we can say that we consider this is another inducement happened here in the H4 in the 30 minutes, so it's really relevant. And now what happens is that we have this breakout structure internally to the downside, which is cool. Yeah, we get this one here, took the liquidity, almost took the liquidity, because I need the price to take the liquidity, then only it will be considered. I don't think it has taken the liquidity. Yeah, it is still intact, so this becomes a liquidity for the price to come up, if the price wants to come up. Now let's see what happens in the 5 minutes, what the story it's telling. So it has created a low, and it has not been induced anywhere. Now that's the beauty of this thing. Okay, here it created equal low. This has been supported, which means that this is the place where another liquidity is there. This 3 can be act as a liquidity. So if it goes up, yeah, it can break high. This liquidity is there, this liquidity is there. So we have many liquidities to be taken apart, but the idea is where we will be able to buy from. The best scenario is from this is 50, this is 61.8 under this region, but we need to have a confirmation. So we need to wait till what's going to happen next. So the best trade would be to take short here if we are that crazy initially, but yeah, I would not. If I want to take a shot, then this happened. Yeah, I could have ended here, but yeah, I missed that moment, so there's no point in going back. This is the initial trend, and like I said, in daily we can see that we are in the zone and we can expect a move downwards. Okay, in the H4 it's pretty much clear because this has created a long movement, and yeah, anything can happen here. Okay, so like I said, we are looking for buys here. It took this. Now it took this low. It took Asia's low. This is also Asia's low. Or is it Asia low? Took Asia low liquidity to this liquidity. Yeah, we can expect a sudden movement up from here, but the only thing which we need to have the confirmation. That's it. So we are looking for reversals. The whole trend is down. Here we can say this as the main trend. I don't mind saying that because this has created a big movement and it just fell off initially. It can come down, we don't know about that. It's cool. If we need to buy here, we can buy here, but the only issue is that we have this is the entry confirmation. This says that our trend has now been taken by the buyers. Okay, that is nice. Now this has shown great sharp movement, created imbalances, took this in. This has been an inducement, a medium inducement. That's good. Now there are two scenarios. The price can come down, and we can take the trade from here. This has the entry, and this has a target. But the issue is that we cannot trust that because it's in the falling and the movements are pretty much steep. We cannot decide that. So what we will do is, if the price come down and it should like this, then if we have another breakout structure to the upside, okay, and definitely this is where we will enter. This is our entry, this is our 1:2 target, this is our stop loss. That would be the scenario for you, and better understanding, we'll do something like this. But in my opinion, what would happen here is it will just shoot up and we will not get an entry. That's what I'm expecting. And again, we have sell orders available here. As we have already mentioned, this has been inducement, and this inducement can be to reach the price here, then push down. Yeah, these are the two scenarios which we are having. Yeah, let us see what the price is going to do. Now I need to look at crude and all, but yeah, I don't think we can do that for now because they're already in the trade, and it's showing bearish movement. There's no point in selling. Let's wait and see what happens. Again, trading is a waiting game. We don't need to know too much to trade, but we definitely need to wait and have the patience to see what is happening. That is a must. We cannot just take all the trades because we will have enough trades, and yeah, it's cool. Yeah, like I said, we might not get an entry here, but I will definitely enter here. So the aggressive way to enter is when the price comes down somewhere around here. So I'll be just Hello, hello. Yeah. Is it solved? Yeah, I think it is solved, right? It is because. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, I'm not using the mic anymore. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Yeah, the EURUSD is going up. Yeah, it's taking new orders. I don't know. It's a confused area. Mm-hmm. So we have that issue here. We are not pretty much sure on which side do we need to go. And let's see about the gold. What's happening in the gold? It took low. Yeah, it took the low, took all the liquidity down here, created a strong movement to the downside, and it just went up fast. Yeah, we can look for buys in both, also and sells in both. We're getting a strong moment here. If we plan to sell here, yeah, we are doomed because we don't have any strong moment down here. But in the same time, we can look for buys in this section. I still don't know what's happened with my mic. Yeah, I need to find a aux cable maybe. Yeah, we need to wait and see what is happening. Yeah, now we have two choices. Yeah, this EURUSD has shown good strength. It created a new breakout structure to the upside. Now the problem which we are facing, yeah, we cannot go for long or short here in this section. Yeah, let us see what's happening. Yeah, I'm really sorry about the quality of the sounds and everything. Can't do nothing with that. Mhm. Is anybody watching? Or it would be happy to send a hi or something. So we have two scenarios available here. Your USD has taken this low, all the liquidity has been taken out. It's in the strong moment. We don't need to go for sells here. If you want to go sells here, this will take this liquidity as the target, and maybe the reaction we can expect from here. Yeah, we will can sell from this main region, but until then we can go for buy. So, like I said, we have this entry confirmation here, two times entry confirmation. We need the price to come down. We need the price to come down, create a breakout structure, then we'll take the trade. This is the entry confirmation, and we enter here. This has the stop loss, and we can set definitely this as the target, but we are very conservative with our trades. We the profit it's 1:2 because I really believe that when I backtested and all my data shows that it is better to take 1:2 trade and be happy than wait and hope for the market to get big. Yeah, my system has more than 1:5 RR. There are many trades you will get it, but I do not have a capability to do so. So definitely I'm not looking into that. Wonderful. Well, let's see what's happening. Yeah, the gold is shooting up like anything. Yeah, it's going to take this liquidity. Yeah, I don't think this is going to get me another trade here in the gold. Yeah, if it touches here, it might come down. Now, one good thing which we can do is, yeah, this is an order block. Okay, it's a risky trade, but again, it's a risky calculated trade. There are too many orders pending available here. I don't think this liquidity counts that much because it still does not cover here. We have this equal highs here. Yeah, definitely. I'll take the entry here. Okay, now let me open my top step X. Do you want to see the top step X here? Yeah, I think that would be wonderful, right? Let's see that. Top step X. Mhm.
Yeah, we need the. This is not the default one. Main vertical. Main. Main scale doesn't matter. This. I don't know, man. Orders. Yeah, this is what we want. Okay, now we are looking for. So we have 1,250 more to go. I made 500 more profit. I made around 50,000, 51,500 or 300 something. But I lost like two trades and it cost me like 700, $1050. I think it's more than that, but yeah. We are looking for buys in crude. Let us see. Now we need to know how much quantity we need to do, right? So yeah, we will check in this. Micro gold, our entry would be here. Our, yeah, I'll take this as 40. 2 lot, 3 lot, 4 lot, 5 lot, 6 lot. Yeah, we'll go with 8 or we'll go with 7. Yeah, we'll go with 8. Why not? The price comes here, we'll enter here and let's put a limit order here. 1:2. This becomes 1:2. Fine by me. I can put a limit order here already. Yeah, it not work. 320. Bye. Yeah, I hate this stuff, man. I hate this stuff. It's micro. Yeah, these are the things which I do not like. I think there are limits on micro, it seems. It's okay. Yeah, same thing. If I want to create limit order on, oh, it's 400. Ooh, I do not have 400. Oh, yeah, let's go with that. Let's buy the limit. Fun. We are risking 400 to get 800. 1:2 trade. We are waiting for the price to come down. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see whether it's urgent. Look, gold. Okay, we can see that. Now let's see what's happening in the Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD, it's showing the weakness. We can look for sells, like I said, but this strong movement, I do not want to go because this is a very strong movement. And I don't think so. This has the power. Maybe this I believe, but not this. I don't think this has the ability to keep it up. But if you want to go for 1:1, this is a good place to go 1:1. Simple as that. When this has broken and came up, yeah, you can just enter here. Yeah, it might work. And it's almost like this, right? Yeah. Definitely it will work. It's a scalp trade, but I don't do scalp trade and I do only the trades which has at least 1:2 RR because that's how my risk management system works. And again, I'm not personally entering the trade. I will definitely tell you the trade which I'm entering. The gold is just shooting up. I told you these liquidities will be swept off. What is it? Oh my God. The price can come down and take this. This is the last place. Yeah, baby. Come down and let's have some fun. Let's see what's happening. I can recommend that the for the people who are watching already. Yeah, hi or something would be appreciated because this is the first time I'm or the second time I'm streaming. In support would be appreciated. Anyway, let's get into business. This liquidity has been swiped off. Now we are in a danger territory. The reason being we Yeah, let's see what's happening. It took the liquidity down here. Can come. Yeah, this is a strong trade. If you want explanation, I can give you that. Simple as that. Okay, so let's go with the higher time frame. We are already in bullish, so we can say that this is a continuation trade. Okay, so we are already in pro trend. Yes, the first checklist is done. Now we need to have some kind of inducement showing that the price needs to go up in our direction. Yes, I can show you that. So this shows that the price has taken the liquidity from here. The inducement has been made. It has created a strong breakout structure. How did it create a strong breakout structure? Now that is matters. This was sellers FEGs. It just took out the sellers FEG. They have a strong reaction, and also we can see that this inducement has been a good inducement, showing that the price is still bullish. We have that, and now we need to show that where the price needs to go. So okay, right? So where is the draw of liquidity down here? Yeah, definitely. It came up to here. Yeah, I can say that. For 1 hour was the draw on liquidity. Yeah, definitely. We can look for this as the draw of liquidity. We can have huge big target. This as the draw on liquidity. We are fine with that. And 4 hour also. Let's see. 4 hour took the low. It's all bullish. It's wonderful. We can do it. If the trade comes down, oh yeah, we are enjoying it. We will have a great party with that. Yeah. Hi, Nicholas. You want to look at GBPUSD? Oh yeah, definitely I can do that. So let me just put an alert here. Already have a trade in place. And let's see GBPUSD, right? Like I said, GBPUSD and Euro would have the same scenario. But let's remove and see. Let's do it by start with the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. Yeah, it's showing clear bullishness. This low has been taken, and this high has also been taken in the weekly. So definitely weekly it is bullish. Now in the daily, we can see that this has been a great fall, but this fall has been recorded by with this great movement, creating a FEG and having a break of structure to the upside, which shows great intent. And this FEG has been taken thereby creating an order block. So currently it is a bullish in the daily. And now we go to the H4. H4, we can see that this is the place where the price got reacted. Wonderful. This has taken this liquidity. The price came down. Yeah, definitely I'll be looking for long here. Reason we have many reasons. One, we took this low, this low. Oh yes. And in higher time frame, the only issue is that H1, it's we have this FEG available here. Yeah, and 15 minutes. One issue which we need to solve is that we need to, or let's see, we need to have at least this break of structure. But the downside of is that if we wait for that, do we have a break of structure? Yes, we have the break of structure, right? Yeah, definitely. So we can say that we can go for buys here. But the criteria which we need to have is this is an inducement, right? Cool, it's cool. Yeah, same scenarios like I mentioned in the Euro USD, the price needs to come down and we need to show the confirmation. So again, how do we show the confirmation? The price comes down here. I'll make it darker for understanding. Okay, perfect. Now what we need to have is the price comes down here, and now the price is in bearish. Okay, price comes to this discount zone, and it needs to show an indent that it needs to go up. So it should reverse us and get this, and here we will enter. This will be our entry confirmation in the lower time frame. Okay, what is it? Yeah, entry breakout structure, and we can enter any from these intersection. This is 0.5, 0.618, 0.75. So we can enter anyone from anywhere from here, and we'll enter here. this as a stop loss, or if you want to be conservative, you can cover this and you can go high. Either is fine for us. So we are waiting for the confirmation because we do not trade from here because this can be a fake out because here still the sellers are in control. So we do not trade here. Yeah. Yeah, I used equal low for entry. Which equal low? Can you explain? Eh, okay, for our gold trade, the price is coming down. We can expect a good moment. This is a risky trade. Now the question comes: do we need to? Yeah, I'm just canceling the trade for now. I'm still in the bias. Nothing has changed, but the price is falling fast, and I do not like that because we need to have. Can I enter GBPUSD? Yeah, I would not recommend that. You don't need to enter anywhere here. I can tell you the reasons behind that. One, it has not broken any structure, and I don't consider this as a proper structure to the upside. It's still making small strides. I would not recommend that. One thing. And you can see that we are still in premium zone. It's above 50%. So it has the ability to come down. The idea is if we enter here, then we need to keep this as a stop loss. Or this would be a stupid stop loss. So we don't need to do that. So definitely don't enter long here. Wait for the price to come down. Yeah, we enter here. We have a confirmation. We enter here. Simple as that. If you don't get it, fine. We will leave another day to take another trade. Anyway, thanks, Nicholas, for watching the live. Okay, now let's see with the gold. What's happening in the gold? Yeah, this is going to be crucial. Do I need to take the entry here or not? Is okay. Yeah. Now you can see here that it's showing proper bear structure in the EU. There is no point. Yeah, definitely it's a sell side like we had mentioned here. It shows the price to come down. Here we don't have any, what to say, any order blocks available here. Yeah. You can wait for the reaction and with the confirmation you can take the entry because the other one would be, I would not recommend that. See, you're right. If you entered here, you would have lost the money. Soon you will lose the money. So yeah, we don't need to do that. The reason sellers can be working here is that because it's in the downtrend, right? It's still bearish. It has not shown any 50 minutes. One good thing is, it has not shown any direction saying that it needs to go up. It took the liquidity down here. Yeah, it's all shallow liquidity has been taken, but still not strong reaction. It's a reversal trade, and always reversals are really bad. It's very hard to catch the reversal. So without proper confirmation, it would be stupid to take the reversals. Let's see. Anyway, for your information, I'll put the 61.8 as a reference here. About 61.8 and type it in also for understanding. 61.8. Yeah, we'll wait there. Okay, crude buy. Okay, what's crude saying? What's crude? Uh-huh. Yeah, when did I put for buy crude? I didn't. Yeah, it was an old trade from yesterday, it seems. Uh-huh. Okay, crude is also in a great position. Yeah, I can still enter in the gold here. Yeah, we'll see what's happening here. Okay. Here we could say that the sellers are invited for a sell here. It has made small inducement to the downside. If you want to go short, 1:1, it's a great place to go short now. This has a low, 5 pip stop loss. I would not say it's a bad place to go short. But again, we don't take this trade. We are looking for the price to come down at 61.8 and then we'll enter here. Yeah, definitely I am entering here. No questions asked. Create limit order. We get one buy. I got initially scared here. Mhm. Yeah, I don't know whether God will. Oh, it's took the okay. It's saying that the price needs to come up. Hmm. Yeah, we've been what to say, waiting for some time for a trade. Yeah, crude is coming down. Wonderful. Crude took here, gave a reaction, took a reaction from here. It's falling down. Crude can be good. The question is, can we trust it or not? Mm, yeah. Yeah. Now, there is a scenario here. If we want to take the risks, definitely you can enter here, somewhere around here with the stop loss 10.5 pips and go for long. It is kind of an entry criteria. It's early, so I don't think you need to make it full risk. It can work, it cannot work. Like I said, trading, we have no guarantees. There are certain chances. It's a probability. Will I take this trade? No, I would not take the trade. I need more confirmation regarding that. But it's still a good setup. People can take the trades here if they like. Target, this would be what to say. We can say that this has the sell to break even here, but I would recommend the price to come down and then we can have a trade. Okay, gold is gone. Yeah, I hate this stuff. Gold just went away from me. Yeah, I could have entered here, but again, it's not a great setup. Still, we'll wait for it. Okay. Uh, let's put an alert. We are not greedy. So we have different narratives, the buy side as well as on the sell side. To the sell side, if you want to sell, yeah, definitely it's a good place to sell now. In the buy, yeah, better not to take the trade and wait for what's happening. Yeah, beautiful. Came up, showed up. Yeah, we can enter here if you want. How much is it? 6. Yes. Mhm. Yeah, I'm still in the buys here. There is no point in denying that. Yeah. Now that's what we've been waiting for. So the price is coming down strongly. This can be a good place to sell now. I think it will sustain, but let's see forwards are going to happen. Mhm. Yeah, now the people who wants to go buy, yeah, that's a good place to go buy. It's a risky trade. I would not personally take it, but it would be a still good trade with, my opinion, 60, 65, 60% probability of getting success. That's all we could ask for, at least, right? Now, again, let's see whether we are right or wrong. We have this FVG created. Okay, we can expect a reaction from here. That is a true real FVG in the 15 minutes time frame. So price can come down, take a reaction, and go up. Then what happens is the people who taken the trade from here become stupid, and that's what the price wants. So, and we could say that this has been engineering liquidity to the downside. We have liquidity down here. Yeah, definitely. Say there are certain scenarios. Okay, just think about this. If the price would want to close, if it want to go up, definitely it would not take in this side. It did not take this side. which means that not always nothing is certain in trading, which means that it does not have the strength to go up. So yeah, it's a place to sell now. Well, again, I will not take this trade. It's all for educational purposes. I am not responsible for any losses or profit happening to you, but yeah, because now just think how the price needs to move if it needs to move. So people will think that this has been a big moment. We are all looking for buys. If we try to buy from here, what happens is it do not have the enough number of orders to go up. So what will do? It will create sellers thinking that yeah, this is a good place to sell. Yeah, come. It's showing we have a breaker structure here. We just move on the price. It took the order block from here. Yeah, the price is good. Yeah, do it. Come. Yeah, we don't do that. What we need, if we need to go up, I'll definitely go for buys, but not here. What we do is that we need to wait for the confirmation to have a breakout structure strongly to the upside. Then we'll take the trade on retracement. Simple as that. We'll wait it out and we'll take the trade. So let's see what happens. I would not definitely go for sells. What's my gold telling? Oh, my gold. What are we doing now? Yeah, it's a good place to go buy now in the gold. It came here, took the liquidity, create a breakout structure. Oh my God. Can go for longs in this section. Cover this low. Yeah, I'm taking it right here. Or yeah, we can take a small trade here. What's the risk? 300 risk. But it's a risky trade. Yeah, what the hell? We can take a trade here. One lot. Yeah, one lot. Uh, GC gold. One lot. Buy.
Order filled.
Okay, order is filled. We'll go for 300. And also, we might lose this account, but yeah, whatever. Okay. We have taken the order. It's a little bit early to be honest, but I don't know. It can work. It cannot work. I don't know. But it's a probable trade. So we'll update in the Twitter now. $358. So we've been on a losing streak for some time. 3 4 trades. I think trade 359. 359. Gold long. Yeah, it's a good one. Now, what we do is we'll move the SL to break even here because we don't want any more things to happen. SL to break even here, we have set the alert, right? No, we'll set the alert SL to break even. Because it has confirmed, it has given the confirmation here. This if it was taken out from here, came down, it can go wrong. Okay, there's nothing certainty here, but yeah, I took the trade here. Because if the price comes down, then this is the place where we want to take the next trade. But yeah, I'm not taking the trade here. Okay, let that be happening. Okay, let's see what's happening in. Oh, okay, we got supported. Okay, perfect. So those people who have taken, yeah, people who have taken the trade here can move the what's the stop loss to the break even. Because if the shit hits the fan, then this is the place where it will fall down. So yeah. The one reason which I don't like EURUSD and GBPUSD trading together is that they tell different stories. Here it is not showing any bullish characters, while in the GBP it is showing, which is a divergence though, but still, when I try to take trade with that information, it never pans out for me, so I don't do that. That's the reason I'm not looking at GBP USD like I used to. I don't know, it's a risky trade. I don't have 300 US dollars, almost 300. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's see. That's a trade, so we'll wait for 600. Okay. This would be my target. And if the price wants to go up, it can go up. USD shooting up. GBPUSD went down. Beautiful. Now the price has moved. What about crude, dude? What about crude? Crude still wants to go down. Yeah, I don't want to take any participation in crude. Gold, yes. Yeah, I can take the trade from here. It's like how much? It's like 1 trade. Yeah. Yeah, I'm entered here in the EU. Okay. Yeah, I have entered here in the EU. here in this section with 8 pip as stop loss, which is kind of big one. I don't agree with that. Normally I go for 5, and this would be my SL to break even. I'm not waiting. No, it can fuck up on me. Still, let's see what happens. It is not doing good. Yeah, I did the trade here. 2 trades in place. Gold price decided it needs to come down. What the hell, dude? Short every reason it to go up. Hmm. Yeah, it's okay. Perfectly fine. Yeah, I have ended here. Yeah, I got pulled out, to be honest. With this candle, I thought it would be good, but yeah, I got kicked my ass here. 360. Wait, 360. Oh, I think this trade is already gone. I don't think this trade would be back. One good thing is that I kept big SL. Yeah. Mm. I did the miscalculation of what to say. I thought this, I consider this as a breakout structure and I ended. Yeah, it's my fault. Mm. But gold, I trust it. Okay. Gold, I completely trust this trade. I really wanted to go here, but yeah, this is a good trade from my side. Yeah, it. That trade is done. Yeah, I'm expecting the gold price to go up. Let us see what's happening. My trade is here. I think my stop loss will be hit soon. But it was okay. Okay, I do agree with that because I had confirmation entry here and it happens sometimes. Whatever we do, trade don't goes in our way, so it's fine by me. Because we have this information on here. Our ideal scenario was to trade here. That was also true. I had placed an order here for the long, and I think, yeah, this will get hit soon. Yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. GU can, yeah, I think GU can go along from here. If you have taken it out, this would be the place to go along in GU. People who have been waiting in the chat, if you have taken the entry from here, this would have been great entry. It's all a perfect setup. Okay, this is a perfect setup. You can take the entry from here if you are. I think this signifies it. It's going to shoot up now. There's no point in that. Euro, it reached down. Yeah, I'm taking another trade in euro. Okay. Mhm. 70. I have taken the entry. I'll tell you what it is. Yeah, I have taken the entry somewhere around here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we are entering here. Our gold is going to get soon. Trade 361. You are USD. No. Yeah, it's a good trade. Oh yeah, it has started the moment. Yeah, I'm perfectly fine with that. It's good. It's a perfect place. Like I mentioned, this was the perfect place. I entered here. I gotta waited for the what's the entry. I did an entry here, which was pretty stupid and out, but you can see that here the buyers got cheated like me. Now this is a good place to buy. And I expect a very good movement from here. Okay, but I'll definitely, as per the risk management, I'll exit at 1:2. What my gold is doing, man. I am sad for the gold. Came here. Yeah, that's that. So nothing to worry. Let's see what gold does. Okay, now let's wait for the price to do its magic. We'll move the price to break even once this hits here. We'll do that. The only thing which we can do is trust the process. That's it. Simple as that. Like I said, I've been waiting for this to happen, and oh yeah, we are moving the price. Mhm. This is the moment which you are expecting for. Whenever we want the price. Oh, I think I double booked the order. Uh, okay, what's all this? 2020. Yeah, we can make this as the target. Let's see what happened here. What happens to our Euro USD? Euro USD trade is doing fantastic. Okay, fine with that. This is also fine. Yeah, okay. One bad trade, one good trade. Okay. And I think after this, now if the price comes down, it's going to really hurt me. One super thing about this is that now all the people would have been in buying, and yeah, come on, baby, I'll let it go. No, we just need to wait. We don't need to do any drastic measures, to be honest, because if we try to do anything, yeah, we'll wait here and see what happens. Told you right. All the people would be in buying, and then it would just cheat us like anything. But it's a good setup. I'd agree with that. Let's hmm, let us see what happens. So I'll be not talking anymore for some time. So let's see what the price happens.
Yeah, so the gold has reached. So I'm just moving my oh my god. SL is here. Okay. I think my entry got delayed. Yeah, one good thing is that I don't need to wait for this much. I can reduce the risk to 450 here. Yeah, that is good. What's our Euro USD saying? The Euro USD is looking for another push up. Fine by me. GBPUSD is saying the same. Yeah, it's okay. Crude, it just fell short again. Any crude was not sustaining. This was also a good place to start. The inducement. This was the inducement. Went it down. Yeah, these candles we got ended here. 1:1 already hit. This was a good trade, but yeah, nothing we can just wait here. That's it. Nothing to do. The price shoots up. This would be a result to break even. We already have. This would be a result to break even. We are not going that top because we cannot trust on that. Let's see. Yeah, or 1:2 would I would have booked it here. Now the real question comes, man, do I need to wait or yeah, I think I will move my stop loss to 1:3, dude. 80, 80, 160. I'll put like 250 points down here. My SL, my target is 16637. I have moved like 6367. Yeah. Oh, yes. This is my target. I'll put it at 1:3. Yeah. But then again, we need to see what's happening. Okay. Yeah, we need to reduce our risk. That's really good. That's it. 350 risk done. Price can move up 2200. Nothing more to do. We'll wait for the price to shoot up. That's it. Now let's see whether do we have anything. Yeah, this liquidity has been taken. I expect a big movement, dude. But since it is the high, we cannot predict that much. But yeah. Price is consolidating. Yeah, the gold can shoot up if it wants or just be crashing down. So that's it. It was good trade. I agree with the risk and everything. I'm perfectly fine with this trade. Oh yes, it can go wherever it needs to be. That's in 15 minutes. Let's see, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 4 hour, 1 day. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, definitely it can shoot up. But always we know that the top there can be resistance. Yeah, but let's see what happens. Let us see what's happening in the Euro USD. And they're in the low. Yeah, I'm putting this at break even to it. Where do I need to risk any more money? It wants to go up, it go up. So I am putting, what is that? Euro USD SF to break even. Oh yes. Let us see what's happening now.
Let me see if I have any other messages. Nothing yet. Yeah, the time is almost 11, the 2 hour of trading, so we are not trading anymore. We will wait and see what happens. Okay, the moment has come. Yeah, I think the market may reverse soon. Yeah, it's showing not great strength. But anyway, we are at the break-even mark, so we don't care about that. Yeah, we are happy with this trade. What else we can do? Did not touch our 1:2 mark, but yeah. So it's been 2 hours. Yeah, I will move the set to. Yeah, let's see. I'm done with this today's trade, and yeah, if you have any questions, shoot now. So that's it then. So thanks, guys.